Do you often mount face footages in After Effects or Premiere Pro? Add features of face applications without smartphones and neural nets. Face Tools is a package of presets that will expand considerably the options of standard face tracking from After Effects. How it works? Detect a face with a mask and make face tracking. That is all. Now all the presets data will automatically fit the data of the face tracking. All the presets are customizable, and you can edit them at any moment. In a few clicks, add distorting effects for changing the face beyond recognition. You can easily adorn the face with makeup or any other image. Try to add some texture on the face, for example, wrinkles. Stabilize your video by face in order to make it more expressive. Use reverse stabilization to apply effects from distortion category to the face. Replace the face using a common photo of another person. Brush out skin defects such as pimples and pigmented spots. Test Face Tools features right now. Face Tools is your face application for After Effects.